In this quick video, I'm going to share with you a really easy way of making money online that you've never seen before. And while you already know that I can't legally make you any guarantees or promises, I can tell you that we have in fact had people who had never made a dime in an online business before actually see commissions their very first week with this system. Here are just a few testimonials from our private Facebook group. You can see David here says, yes, another new sale. This is great and it did it all for me. Thank you all. Tim says, woohoo, happy dance. Made my first sale yesterday. This is pretty quick. Wasn't expecting it that quickly. Jovi, whose first language is not English, said, I don't even touch my computer for a few days because of my busy schedule. I wake up this morning and get another 2 sales. And Timothy writes, hi everyone, I'm totally excited to be here. The system helped me get a sale my first 10 sales first week. So, just how easy is this system? Well, let me put it like this. Do you know how to order a pizza? It's pretty easy, right? All you do is pick up the phone or go online, select the type of pizza you want, tell them where to deliver your pizza, and then sit back and relax until your pizza arrives. Well, this system pretty much works like that. Except instead of ordering a pizza, you're just ordering website visitors. And instead of the order coming to your house, the website visitors are delivered to an automated system that does all the selling for you. Once the system is up and running, you can potentially get online commissions starting this week. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Personalize the system so that the commissions go to you. 2. Order your website visitors, which you already know is literally as easy as ordering a pizza. And 3, let the system follow up with leads for you automatically so that you can earn commissions when people buy products that you didn't even have to create yourself. And the best part, you can have everything up and running before you go to bed tonight. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that this is the exact money-making system you've always been looking for, but you're also thinking that this sounds way too good to be true. And hey, that's fair, because even though you can rest easy knowing there are federal guidelines I'm legally required to follow that make it so that everything I say in this free video is 100% certified and true, we still don't know each other yet. Besides, I haven't even unpacked the 3 easy steps that will allow you to have everything up and running before you go to bed tonight. So I'll tell you what, just give me about 6 or 7 quick minutes. I'll show you exactly how everything works step by step, and then you can decide for yourself that this system is the real deal and that you want to get started today. Do we have a deal? Great. And oh yeah, before we continue, I need to mention 2 quick things. First, at the time of me making this video, only about 500 people even know about this system. But once we hit 2,000 active members, we're going to either triple the price to use the system, or we're going to close the doors completely. So it's important that you watch this video to the end now, while you still can. I don't want you to come back tomorrow only to find out that you've been completely locked out. Besides, it's only a few minutes. Second, once I fully detail the 3 easy steps that will allow you to get everything up and running before you go to bed tonight, you have to promise not to laugh once you see how easy they are. Sound good? Awesome. Now, in a moment, I'm going to walk you through everything, step by step, so that you know exactly how to get your very own pizza system up and running in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show on Netflix. But before I peel back the curtain and let you in on this 100% newbie-friendly method that requires 0 techie skills, 0 prior experience, and 0 creating your own products or